afternoon from the Stormsight Storm Center. Check us out at stormsightstormcenter.com or else on the Facebook page. Looking at today's video, and as you can see here, we're going to start with the categorical outlooks from the Storms Prediction Center. And as you can see here, they have included us into a standard thunderstorm risk for the Tennessee Valley and western West Virginia, all the way down here, all the way pretty much through central Texas, and a slight risk over New York. That's pretty unusual. And you can see there, though, let's look at the probabilistic values. And as you can see here, this is the chance of a tornado today, Evan. Do you see anything on the map?
No.
And so, obviously,
I guess we cut the blue on that.
Yeah, we can, we don't know how we can skip right over that. I'll let you explain where the areas are for the Tuesday outlook.
All right, well, we got, let's see, right down in the middle, around the Atlanta area, it looks like, and going over in the middle of South Carolina is what's that say?
It's a slight risk.
Yeah, okay, slight risk of
severe thunderstorms.
Yeah,
and then the green is the general thunderstorm risk.
Right. I didn't really know what you're looking at. And up in the Dakota areas and Iowa and Missouri and Wyoming and southern parts of Montana and even into Wisconsin, looks like.
And if we take a look at the probabilistic values on that, nothing real significant, 5% in the general thunderstorm risk, but we do have a 15%, which is a step below moderate.
Maybe a little light and thunder there, here and there.
Maybe one or two severe thunderstorm warnings for the South Carolina region. Not looking very likely, though.
Don't look like much possible.
Yeah, looking at day 3, no organized severe thunderstorms. So it looks like Wednesday is going to be a good day for the entire United States. And if we look at the probabilistic values, nothing showing there. Less than 5% in the whole United States for severe weather. So definitely looking good there. If we look at the days 4 through 8, the predictability is too low. That's the 19th through the 23rd. Nothing really going on there. And look at the warnings map. You can see there's not much going on there at that point. So you can see here that the eastern part of the United States is calm. But there is a tornado right down in Texas, and you can see here there's 2 special marine warnings in effect for it looks like the Gulf Coast. Do you see those too?
Yeah, I see them there.
And then nothing going on for Tennessee or the Valley. But if you go down to Alabama, a hazardous weather outlook is in effect for that area. If we move to a more specific region of the southeast, you can see here nothing going on for the Tennessee area. But you can see here Tennessee is in the clear. Mississippi, northern Mississippi, flood parts for western Arkansas. So if you look at the climate map, I'll let you explain this. The A is for above and the blue is for below.
Yeah, we have in the Midwest areas around Oklahoma, pretty warm. It's not very average at this point. We're actually in the normal in the Middle Tennessee area. Looks like up in Washington, which really has really no effect on us, but it does some below normal temperatures over there.
And same thing for North Carolina. The people
North Carolina's getting some along the East Coast is
where they're seeing the severe weather, and that seems to have been the case for the last couple of days, where they see the severe weather were well above normal temperatures, so or well below rather, and that's especially not good for them in the central part of the United States because they're under a drought, and you can see that here on this map. Look at this drought. But the thing is, though, is this is days 3 through 7. No severe weather's in the forecast. No flooding. No wind problems. No flooding problems. Just drought. And if we move to
and you know what amazes me with that, Tyler, is I'm good thing you zoomed right there because over there in the around the Jacksonville area in Florida and the Valdosta and Atlanta, you know, this seems like they just keep getting raining over and over and over again. I mean, it's like they never stop getting rain. For some reason, they still have a drought.
Yeah, they were just so dry over the winter, you know, and haven't really had a chance to make up for it. If you look at the Tennessee Drought Monitor, you can see here that some certain parts of the central part of the Tennessee, rather, is in a drought, but central Davidson County still cut out with that. So
that's probably because it's a metropolitan, a lot of city area.
You got the water there. Same thing for southeastern Lincoln County, southwestern Franklin County. Is not included in that, but over near Cumberland County, that's not in the question. Over near Shelby County, Memphis, nothing going on over there. Just a slight drought.
It's usually with maps like this, you might as well consider yourself being in it if you're out there.
Right.
Like if I live down in is that Winchester probably?
Yeah, you got Winchester.
Yeah, Winchester.
Yeah.
You know, if I consider myself, Winchester don't look like it's in a
just half of it really looks like it's in there.
So, really, I mean, I consider myself in it anyway.
Right, but nothing really to be concerned about. That's the slightest of all stages, but that could be a fire weather hazard, especially down there as we get into warmer temperatures, as we could be seeing. We'll get warm. Now, we're watching Saturday for a severe weather threat, and that's down the road, and we'll mention that in future broadcasts. So right now, we're going to open the phone lines up to anybody who wants to call in. The number is posted on the screen. For the meantime, until we get a call, we're going to mute the microphones. Thank you for watching the weather video for the 16th. Have a nice day.